Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the chaos of a messy kitchen. Let's see if we can turn this disaster zone into a functional and organized space. I'm excited to share with you 5 gadgets that promise to declutter and organize even the most chaotic kitchens out there. From storage solutions to space-saving marvels, we're putting these gadgets to the test to see if they can make a real difference. Now, we all know the struggles of dealing with a messy kitchen. It's like a never-ending battle against clutter, where finding that one spice bottle or the right lid for a container feels like a treasure hunt. And let's not even talk about the lack of storage space. It's a nightmare. But fear not, because we've got some innovative gadgets that might just be the game changer we all need. First up, we have a magnetic spice rack that promises to keep all your spices in one convenient spot. No more rummaging through crowded cabinets. Next, we're trying out a set of stackable storage containers that claim to maximize cabinet space. Say goodbye to messy stacks of mismatched containers falling out every time you open the cabinet. Moving on, we have a smart drawer organizer that adjusts to fit different utensils and gadgets. Finally, a solution for the ever-changing needs of our kitchen tools. And let's not forget about the undershelf basket that promises to create extra storage space out of thin air. It's like magic, how it instantly doubles the storage capacity. Last but not least, we're testing a rotating spice carousel that makes finding the right spice a breeze. No more digging through a jumble of spice bottles. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the reveal of the most effective gadget from our lineup. The Smart Drawer Organizer takes the crown for its versatility and ease of use. It's a game changer for keeping all our utensils in order. In summary, each of these gadgets brings something neat to the table in terms of kitchen organization. Whether it's maximizing space, improving accessibility, or simply making life easier, there's a gadget for every kitchen dilemma. Personally, I'm impressed by how these gadgets have transformed our messy kitchen into a well-organized space. If you've got any kitchen organization tips or favorite gadgets of your own, share them with us in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home improvement content and to stay updated on our latest kitchen makeovers. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy organizing.